our Jamaican parents are very unique. I suspect all parents are. And I don't think we can find none like them anywhere across the world. Many of us would hear one or more of these phrases while growing up. One of the phrases that I remember, I say it every day on television, it's not here, but if you don't stop crying, I'm going to give you something to cry about. I still don't understand that one. Because I'm crying already. So you give me more things to cry. You say I must stop crying. Are you going to make me cry? But I'm crying. I don't understand that one. Which one your mother used to say?
We give children them. My mother, oh my gosh, my mom says all kinds of things. She just, like, my mother is a proverb so much. She's just going to tell me something for everything, every minute. So, yeah, like, I was saying to somebody, say, when if you're in a lion mouth, take time, take it out. And who knew we'd live to see somebody?
It looked like his mother never tell him that.
We literally live to see someone in a lion mouth. I was like, what?
Well, I actually think that is foolishness. Because if you take time, take it out, the whole I'm hand gone. So I think him do the right thing. This comes from digjamaica.com. The last talk, this is one of the things your parents say. And as usual, I find it's usually the mothers do this. This is the last time we have talked to you. What do you mean by it's the last time? So, if we don't do it, we not talk to me again ever in life?
No, what is coming next, not when we're talking. It's the actions coming, not the words. Never, I tell you, if this is the last time, you're not going to hear that more to my mouth after this, you know, something else is going to happen. That's a bad warning. Yes. Yes.
The next one.
Who your answer, so?
So if Mama said Neville and I say yes, she should have said Neville. And I said, yes, Mama. And they say, oh, because I was wondering who you answered like that.
What the Mama said? Then I said, Mia come. And she said, who is Mia? Who is that? Who's Mia? That person lives here? What? Them full of questions, man.
And then Mama always say a couple of things. She used to say this and say, wait, you're deaf? Parents. Yeah. I wonder where them get it from. Where the parents, their parents, and it start from then.
Years back, a lot of these things, some of them, when you trace them back, they're African sayings or African proverbs. So they're just handed down from generation to generation. And we put our little Jamaican flair on it. Wow, this one now, if you hear this one, you know, don't make me come over there. Marvin, take up your homework.
This is after them tell you
Marvin,
10. This is after them tell you 10 times.
So Marvin, don't make me come over there. Or as Prince remind me, if I come over there, you're not going to like it.
Yeah.
Them always get a warning, you know, them forgot work at the med service. Them get the warning before the hurricane. If I come over there, you're not going to like it. What I don't know is why children don't take the parents' warning. If I come over there, you're not going to like it. And we still go on, and then them come over there. And we don't like it.
No, I said before that sometimes parents say things that the kids know it's not going to happen. It's like Jackie used to say, I will knock off your head, you know. Well, the youth them know say you're not knocking off nobody's head. So, them really don't kind of freak out over that one. So them say, what you going to do when you come over there? Kill me? Hopefully, yeah, Richard, you're right. This one said, you think me your size? Or them say, you think you turn man now? You think you turn man?
It's a big man now.
Yeah.
It's a big man now.
This
if I lick you, you see peony wall.
That sound like that our father must go jail.
If I lick you, you see peony wall.
Yeah, if you lick me, so I tell me you see peony wall. You must go jail,
going fenny?
You must go jail, man.
What is a fenny and how many of you have done it? Like
your fenny.
Yes. What is fenny and how many of you have experienced fenny? It's like me ask somebody the other day, me say fe. The Jamaican word fe. Where it come from? It's the most powerful word in the Jamaican language.
Yeah, man, say fe.
Yeah.
As a little boy, when you get in a fight, a man you say, touch a button if you're bad.
You can't go over there and say, say fe. It's the worst word in the Jamaican language.
Yeah. The other thing they say, you take up your book from morning, Or they will say, go take up your book. Mama used to watch like the youngsters, you know, the dance contests and stuff, like little girls and people would call them up on stage and the little boys. And my mother said, I hope them know them book. I hope them know them book as well as how them can dance.
Stick broken on your ears? Or you walk on your ears?
Yeah, I remember that.
Yes, can't, you know.
That
if this one comes.
You're going like your man. Them say, oh, are you the mother?
Yes.
I'm going like it tough.
But do you realize most of it, they're questions, though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This last one, them should go to jail too. Yeah, man. Them must go to jail for that one. You say it.
Watch me and you.
No, not them say. Not them. No, another one there.
Oh.
The last one, they must go.
I may bring you into this world, I can take you out. I don't know if that's a Jamaican thing. I think that's more of an American thing.
Anybody, that's a threat. You must go to jail for that.
I think that's what.
So me bring you into the world, me take you out. You know. That's a
Jamaican parents now. Them not have to go that far. When a Jamaican parent say, don't make her come over there, you know she's going to take you out of the world. She don't say.
It's like my kids, like Camila said.
Oh my God, we traumatized
when I say Camila, she just say, uh-oh. Every time I say Camila, she just say, uh-oh. If I call her full name, she knows she's in trouble.
Have mercy, we traumatized the poor picnic.
She knows she's in trouble. I like that. I like that one there.
Yeah.
What's...
We got to find some new phrases for parents to tell the children.
Yeah, and punishment must be to help, not necessarily to hurt. And I don't know if you understand that.
Yeah.
But when you punish someone, you should really try to make them a better person. Not just go to them and just start thump them up because them do something that you never like. And, you know, nothing comes out of that. So, yeah, they must be punished. And, punished, you know, I don't like that word either. But, if they, you know, but you don't have to beat them or anything. But whatever you do, it should make them a better person.
The physical violence doesn't help.
No, and that don't help. And this thing about sticks and stones.
Lie.
Can't break my bone.
Lie.
Foolishness that. Well, sticks and stones will break your bones, but words can't hurt you. That is not true.
Lie, that's a lie.
Actually, sometimes words hurt more than if you get a little thump on your shoulder, to be honest.
I think
that don't make no sense.
Someone said to me the other day that there are things that people said to them when they were a child that they never forget.
Yeah, man.
And that even now it comes to bear on
words can hurt you.
Yeah.
Words can hurt you.
Yeah.
The amount of interviews I've done with people who will remember things that a teacher said to them when they was like 7 and 8. I remember one of our big athletes told me in an interview on television that a teacher told him that he would never become anything.
Oh.
Never.
We can't put them out on people picnic, man.
Thank you.
I don't like it.
Thank you. That man ended up being a champion of the world.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So
okay.
Something did come good of him. All right. What's next?
After the break, in our Family First series, we look at appreciating our parents on this Global Day of Parents. We'll soon come.
After you tell me, say, you'll kill me.